Now we will use the laws of exponent and we will simplify the question number 5. Now here you will see 5 to the power 4 and 5 cube is there in the fractional form. So how we will solve this question or simplify that? We will use the division law of exponent here, just like this. We have done this form, that 7 and 7, the bases are same, the powers are different, and the division process is going on. So what we will do, we will simply subtract the powers. Okay, now so adopt the same method. The powers will be subtracted, basis is same, so I will write 4 minus 3. So its answer will be 5 to the 1, that is equal to 5. Now here you will see 11 and 8. So I can write 11 minus 8. So 10 to power 3. Here the powers are 10 and 6 and the basis is same, minus 3, 10 minus 6. We can write it minus 3, 10 minus 4. Now 10 cube means 10 multiply 10 multiply 10, that is 1000. And here minus 3 multiply minus 3 multiply minus 3 multiply minus 3. Now minus is multiplying how many times? Even number of times. Therefore answer will be in plus, and 3 multiply 3 9, 9 multiply 3 27, and 27 multiply 3, that is 81. So this is the answer. You can skip the positive symbol as you wish. Now here this sum is different from the all three parts we have done earlier, as the 13 is in the denominator and the 10 is the denominator, as a being power of the same base 9. So what we will do in this type, see, remind this part, 7 cube is divided by 7 to the power 5. Here the answer is the reciprocal of the earlier method or the previous 3 questions. So I will write this. Firstly I subtract 5 minus 3, that is 2, and I will write in the reciprocal, that is 1 by 7 square. Clear? So I will write 9, 1 by 9, and 13 minus 10. So the answer is 1 by 9 cube. What is the meaning of this? 9 multiply 9 multiply 9, that is 729. How 729? 9 to the 9 nines are 81, and 81 when multiplied by 9, the answer is 729. Got it? Now here you will see minus 4 by 5 and minus 4 by 5, the bases are same and the powers are different, and we can write the base and we will subtract the powers. Now 12 minus 10, that is 2. So I will write minus 4 by 5 to the raised to power 2, or I may call it square. Its expansional form will be minus 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5, and minus into minus, that is plus. We can skip the plus on positive symbol. 4 into 4, that is 16, and 5 into 5, that is 25. In this way we have simplified the question number 5, that was based on the division process having same basis. Okay, now here you will see 5 by 6 to the power 6 and 5 by 6 to the power 8. Now here what you do, you will subtract 8 minus 6, so 6 from 8, but you will have to reciprocal the base. Here you see that you have, if it was 9, then what you have, write 1 by 9. Okay, so here what will you do, you will reciprocal, you will have to make the reciprocal of 5 by 6. So you will write like this. Firstly, this is 5 by 6 and 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, it will be 5 by 6 to the power 2. Clear? Now, what is the answer of this? The meaning of this is 5 by 6 and 5 by 6 are multiplied 2 times. Now, its answer is 1 by 25 over 36. Now, it can be written as 1 multiply 36 over 25. Therefore, 36 over 25. Clear? Okay. Now, as we know, if the power is 0 of any base, then the answer is 1. As you know, we have proved this here. When the powers are same, then when we subtract this and we find that the power is 0 to the base 7, and we have proved that this is equal to 1. So, using this result, we can say 419 to the power 0, that is equal to 1. Clear? Now, here the power is 0, therefore it is also answer 1. Now, here 7 to the 0, it means its answer is 1. 8 to the 0, it means its answer is 1. And 9 to the 0, it means its answer is 1. Now, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Clear? Now, in this part, you will see 29 to the 0, that means 1. 23 to the 0, that means 1s. 16 to the 0, that means 1. Now, 1 minus 1, that is 0. And multiply with 1. 0 multiply with 1, that is 0. Clear? Now, I will solve this question. Minus 2. Now, 3 multiply 5, that is 15. We will apply BOD mass here. BOD-MAS. BOD mass means BOD-MAS. So, first of all, we will have to do multiplication. So, I multiply 3 multiply 5, that is 15. Clear? And minus 4 minus 11. Now, you will see, now the same symbols are there. Therefore, negative symbol and negative symbol, both are of like signs. Therefore, I will add them. 4 and 11, that is 15. But their symbol is a negative symbol. Therefore, I will write the common symbol. Now, what is this? Going to be 15 minus 15, that is 0. So, again, the power is 0. I will write this 1 simply. Okay. Now, student, in this question, we are viewing that there are two sides. One is left hand side and one is right hand side. And we have to find the value of unknown x. Okay. Now, in this type of question, we have to convert this number or this number that is written in the value form to convert into an exponential form. Because say if this is equal to this, this is equal to this, but this is exponential form and this is not exponential form. So first work is to convert this into an exponential form. So how will you convert this in exponential form? That we have learned in the first exercise. Okay, so I will find its prime factorization firstly. So 256. 256. So I will divide it by 2. 128. After that 264. 232. 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2 and 2, 1. You say how many times the 2 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can write it directly 2 to the power 8. Clear? Now, whenever you face this type of situation where the bases are same and they are equal but their powers are not same, then you can skip the bases and equate the powers. Okay. Now, by transposing, plus 2 will be go on the right hand side and you will get the answer 6 as the value of x. Clear? Now, similarly, you can solve here. Now, 729 is divisible by 3. What I have done here, I have converted this into prime factorization. Clear? Now, I will write this in prime factorization. How many 3's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 is there 6 times. I will write this. But student, you will have to notice one thing here. The power is 3. So you have to make the power same on the both side. So what is the way to make the power same? But you will notice that you are seeing that 3 to the power 6. But they are equal. Therefore one thing must be equal. If the bases are same, then power should be same. But here we don't know the base and power we can make the same. So I will make the pair of 2. If I can group them like this as a green header, then this will become 9 multiply 9 multiply 9. And you can observe it like this. Now you can find some equality on the both side. And you are going to find that equality. Clear? Now, here you will see if the powers are same, then you can skip as they are equal. Therefore, you will find the x equal to 9. So, student, these sums are very much important to find the value of x in the exponential laws. Here